Where were the 7th Academy Awards held? Biltmore Bowl of the Biltmore Hotel, Blossom Room of the Hollywood Roosevelt Hotel, Coconut Grove of the Ambassador Hotel, or Fiesta Room of the Ambassador Hotel? Correct answer is Biltmore Bowl of the Biltmore Hotel. Which year's movies were celebrated at the 7th Academy Awards? Movies released in 1932, movies released in 1933, movies released in 1934, or movies released in 1935? Correct answer is movies released in 1934. On what date were the 7th Academy Awards held? January 27, 1935, February 27, 1935, March 27, 1935, or April 27, 1935? Correct answer is February 27, 1935. Who won the Oscar for Best Actor at the 7th Academy Awards? Frank Morgan, William Powell, Clark Gable, or James Stewart? Correct answer is Clark Gable. Which film earned Clark Gable the Best Actor award? The Thin Man, The Affairs of Selene, A Farewell to Arms, or It Happened One Night? Correct answer is It Happened One Night. Who won the Oscar for Best Actress at the 7th Academy Awards? Claudette Colbert, Bette Davis, Grace Moore, or Norma Shearer? Correct answer is Claudette Colbert. Which film earned Claudette Colbert the Best Actress Award? Of Human Bondage, It Happened One Night, One Night of Love, or The Barretts of Wimpole Street? Correct answer is It Happened One Night. Which film won the Oscar for Best Art Direction at the 7th Academy Awards? The Gay Divorcee, The Affairs of Selene, It Happened One Night, or The Merry Widow? Correct answer is The Merry Widow. Who were the winners for Best Art Direction for The Merry Widow? Richard Day and Cedric Gibbons, Cedric Gibbons and Frederick Hope, Van Nest Polglaze and Carol Clark, or Alfred Hitchcock and Carol Clark? Correct answer is Cedric Gibbons and Frederick Hope. Who won the Oscar for Best Assistant Director at the 7th Academy Awards? Cullen Tate, Scott Beale, John Waters, or Frank Capra? Correct answer is John Waters. Which film earned John Waters the Best Assistant Director Award? Viva Villa, Cleopatra, Imitation of Life, or It Happened One Night? Correct answer is Viva Villa. Which film won the Oscar for Best Cinematography at the 7th Academy Awards? Operator 13, The Affairs of Selene, It Happened One Night, or Cleopatra? Correct answer is Cleopatra. Who was the cinematographer for Cleopatra, the winning film in the cinematography category? Charles Rocher, Victor Milner, George Folsey, or Richard Day? Correct answer is Victor Milner. Which film won the Oscar for Best Directing at the 7th Academy Awards? One Night of Love, The Thin Man, It Happened One Night, or The Merry Widow? Correct answer is It Happened One Night. Who was the director of the winning film It Happened One Night? Frank Capra, Victor Scherzinger, W.S. Van Dyke, or George Cukor? Correct answer is Frank Capra. Which film won the Oscar for Best Film Editing at the 7th Academy Awards? Cleopatra, One Night of Love, Eskimo, or It Happened One Night? Correct answer is Eskimo. Who was the editor of the winning film Eskimo? Anne Baukens, Victor Scherzinger, Jean Milford, or Conrad Nervig? Correct answer is Conrad Nervig. Which film won the Oscar for Best Music Scoring at the 7th Academy Awards? One Night of Love, The Lost Patrol, The Gay Divorcee, or Imitation of Life? Correct answer is One Night of Love. Who was the head of the Columbia Studio Music Department responsible for the music scoring of One Night of Love? Max Steiner, Louis Silvers, Victor Scherzinger, or Kenneth Webb? Correct answer is Louis Silvers. Which song won the Oscar for Best Music Song at the 7th Academy Awards? Carioca, Love in Bloom, The Continental, or Lullaby of Broadway? Correct answer is The Continental. For which film did Con Conrad and Herb Magidson win the Best Music Song Oscar for The Continental? Flying Down to Rio, The Gay Divorcee, She Loves Me Not, or 42nd Street? Correct answer is The Gay Divorcee. Which film won the Outstanding Production Oscar at the 7th Academy Awards? The Thin Man, Imitation of Life, Cleopatra, or It Happened One Night? Correct answer is It Happened One Night. Which studio produced the Outstanding Production winner It Happened One Night? Paramount, Metro-Goldwyn-Mayer, Columbia, or Universal? Correct answer is Columbia. Which film won the Short Subject Cartoon Oscar at the 7th Academy Awards? Jolly Little Elves, The Tortoise and the Hare, Holidayland, or The Three Little Pigs? Correct answer is The Tortoise and the Hare. Who produced the winning short subject cartoon film The Tortoise and the Hare? Walt Disney, Walter Lantz, Charles Mintz, or Leon Schlesinger? Correct answer is Walt Disney. Which film won the Short Subject Comedy Oscar at the 7th Academy Awards? Men in Black, What? No Men, La Cucaracha, or The Music Box? Correct answer is La Cucaracha. Who produced the short subject comedy winner La Cucaracha? Warner Brothers, Louise Brock, Jules White, or Kenneth McGowan? Correct answer is Kenneth McGowan. Which film won the Short Subject Novelty Oscar at the 7th Academy Awards? Bosom Friends, Strikes and Spares, City of Wax, or Swing High? Correct answer is City of Wax. Who were the producers of the Short Subject Novelty winner, City of Wax? Pete Smith, Stacey Woodard and Horace Woodard, Skibo Productions, or Mack Sennett? Correct answer is Stacey Woodard and Horace Woodard. Which film won the Sound Recording Oscar at the 7th Academy Awards? The Affairs of Cellini, Cleopatra, One Night of Love, or The Gay Divorcee? Correct answer is One Night of Love. Who was the sound director for the sound recording winner One Night of Love? John Levadery, Franklin B. Hansen, Nathan Levinson, or Theodore Soderbergh? Correct answer is John Levadery. Which studio's sound department was responsible for the sound recording of the film One Night of Love? RKO Radio, Columbia, Paramount, or Universal? Correct answer is Columbia. Which film won the Writing Adaptation Oscar at the 7th Academy Awards? The Thin Man, Viva Villa, The Barretts of Wimpole Street, or It Happened One Night? Correct answer is It Happened One Night. Who was the writer that won the Writing Adaptation Oscar for It Happened One Night? Ben Hecht, Francis Goodrich, Robert Riskin, or Albert Hackett? Correct answer is Robert Riskin. Which film won the Writing Original Story Oscar at the 7th Academy Awards? Manhattan Melodrama, The Richest Girl in the World, Hideout, or It Happened One Night? Correct answer is Manhattan Melodrama. Who won the Writing Original Story Oscar for Manhattan Melodrama? Maury Gratian, Norman Krasna, Robert Riskin, or Arthur Caesar? Correct answer is Arthur Caesar. Please join our journey, subscribe, share, and stay updated.